So I'm off to school today to go to a class, a nature class, a second grade nature class, where Mackay goes to school. So he invited me to come and be part of the festivities. So here we go.
No. You?
It was chasing a bunny?
Yes, the bunny was like hanging out, and then the fox came and started chasing the bunny.
So you need one more for the big prize, right?
I found White Oak. What's the big prize?
The prize is a magic decoder ring and 3 rooms of carpeting.
I have White Oak. I need no more. I have White Oak.
Okay.
I found this. I'm done. I'm finished. Only I have two more. Wait,
2 more. Last time you had 3, but now you're down to 2.
Yes, we're both 2.
Down to 2.
I'm finished.
That means you got them all. And what was the prize?
I don't care. Camera. I don't know.
The magic decoder ring and the 3 rooms of carpeting.